The policy, as I stated, is if you have a dog, you can bring him to work. There's, at any point in time, probably, 15, 16 dogs running around here. And then you've got a ton of other, little dogs that, cruise around here throughout the day.
Okay.
I'm a dog person, so, I just made the dog policy the way that I would want it. Most dogs are completely fine with being in and around a corporate culture if you've built the culture around having complete and utter acceptance for your animals.
Oh, it's my baby, it's Bronco.
They're part of the family.
Crazy dog lady now.
Puppy. Be different, like.
Oh, yeah, no, step in it. Yeah. So this is Aria. When we got her, she was dehydrated, malnourished, she was infested with ticks. She was the runt of the litter. It's not that she was necessarily abused, she was just neglected. Doing everything when sitting. Sit. Good girl. Sit. She's tiny but mighty. So I landed on Arya as a name because I'm a huge Game of Thrones fan, and Arya was this tiny little thing. Everybody underestimated her. Oh, so cute. And then she slaughtered everything. So that's gonna be my dog. I'm gonna have a dire wolf.
Release the big dog!
They decrease the stress all the time. I'll cruise into offices and pet dogs and throw the balls for them, even for 30 seconds or 2 minutes, and it puts a smile on your face.
This is Chase. We got him at a shelter in Chicago, Illinois. He's named after one of the Paw Patrol characters. If you have kids, Chase is the police dog.
Chase here, and I'm proud to be a police pup. These paws uphold the laws.
Ready?
Tell me his name.
Ajax.
Okay.
He's a blue heeler. I bought him from a family out of a minivan in the Mexican parking lot in Salt Lake. And it's about a year and a month old.
My dog's name is Bronco. I picked him up about 2 years ago from a shelter in Washington. When I first got him, I worked from home. Here at Black Rifle, obviously we can take our pets to work. Loves everybody here loves him.
It's one of the things I truly love about the company, and it won't change as long as I'm CEO.
We
Love
Dogs.
At
Black
Rifle.
Coffee.
Listen, I'm not really a cat person either, but what did you want to do to people that don't drink coffee?